When you're working with young children, you have to definitely put yourself on their level and look at things from their point of view.
The Early Childhood Program is a 2-year degree that prepares our students to teach in public schools. In a West Virginia pre-K classroom, they can teach in a child care center. They have a variety of opportunities once they graduate. Within our program, it is actually required that our students sit on the floor, interact with the kids at their level. That's the best way to get that child's attention and to see what their interests are and for them to interact with you. It makes the preschoolers feel important because somebody bigger than them is sitting there and listening to them and having a conversation. It just makes them feel more important.